Nityanandam. Welcome to this edition of The Real Story. I'm Ma Shantananda and I'm here today to tell you the real story about an incident that happened just a few days ago. While Swamiji was in Tiruvannamalai, taking part in some religious ceremonies related to the demise of his grandmother on the 13th of January this year. We later discovered that this incident was actually a setup by people who are out to defame Swamiji and destroy his mission. Our favorite TV channel, Sun TV, ran a news report every half hour, as always, ready to malign Swamiji and Dhyanapeetham. By now, it has become very clear, very obvious that there is a powerful force out there which is aiding and abetting this reporting of false news about Swamiji and Dhyanapeetham, blowing things out of proportion and then telecasting it repeatedly, making the victim into an accused and misusing their power as the fourth estate. I wonder what they are afraid of. Is it Swamiji's continuing popularity, or is it his meteoric rise into a position of power and fame as a spiritual leader in such a short time and at such a young age? Or maybe it's a combination of everything. It doesn't take much intelligence to realize what is going on here, does it? Now, going back to what really happened on that day, let me tell you the real story. On 18th January noon, the ashram conducted a Maheshwara Puja, feeding hundreds of local sadhus and sannyasis, or monks. As per the tradition, Swamiji honored these sannyasis by serving them individually with his own hands.
அருணாச்சலமென அகமே நினைப்பவர் அகத்தை வேறறுப்பாய் அருணாச்சலா. அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா. அழகு சுந்தரம் போல் அகமும் நீயுமுற்ற பின்னமாயிருப்போம்.
At about 1 p.m., as the religious ceremonies were in progress, two miscreants trespassed into the premises, carrying video cameras and shouting filthy language against Swamiji, the ashram, and the ceremonies being conducted. When volunteers requested them not to violate the sanctity of the sacred space by entering the puja area, wearing shoes, and disrupting the religious ceremonies, the two trespassers threatened the volunteers, saying, "We are foreigners. You can't touch us. If you try to stop us, we will complain to the police." The two people, who appeared to be slightly intoxicated, forced their way through the crowd and attempted to get close to Swamiji and manhandle him. But luckily for us, they were stopped by the devotees surrounding Swamiji. Fortunately, the local people, the sadhus and ashram volunteers managed to peacefully evict the miscreants from the place before they could damage the property or cause any grievous harm. Even after they were evicted from the ashram, they continued to stand on the road and abuse not only Swamiji but also those who were entering or leaving the ashram premises, using coarse and filthy, vulgar language.
What license you have? Police one. News for police one. News for police kuda. Can't doubt that.
This man has been accused of not being a sadhu. What are you guys going to eat from him? Hey, you stay away from me.
It's violent, it's silent way. Not for the vulgar, not the violence. I told the President of India. News for what?
This man had sexual relationship when he was in Saffron Road. It was all over the world. You said you should not go eat from that man. That man is fooling his own disciples. It's a shame that you people in Orange go take food from that man.
Okay, you done that yourself.
That's been proven.
Yourself, mate.
At 7 p.m. the same day, this attack was followed by the arrival of two more foreigners, a man and a woman, who further threatened Swamiji and spoke abusively of the Hindu Dharma. This time, the volunteers were prepared and quickly moved them out of the premises. Later, it was discovered that the two miscreants were working in collusion with Shiva Babu, who sources say is a local street rowdy posing as a Hindu activist. Local sources also say that Shiva Babu has already got into trouble with the law several times for indulging in rowdyism and other unlawful activities while hiding behind the label of Hindu activism. On the evening of the attack, Shiva Babu was seen campaigning against Swamiji on Sun News. Legal action has been initiated by Nityananda Dhyanapitham against the miscreants. Clearly, this was a pre-planned attempt to cause trouble at the ashram and bring personal harm to Swamiji, this time using two foreign nationals posing as journalists to shout abuses and threaten volunteers, causing shock and outrage among the devotees and ashramites who were gathered there for a traditional Hindu dharmic ceremony. Unlike the news reports that are being put up in certain blogs, newspapers and TV channels, Swamiji is very much loved and respected in Tiruvannamalai, as we saw during his second visit to his hometown after the incident that happened last year on March 2nd. This time, thousands of people came to visit him and take blessings and healing from him. Crowds of people came from far and near to have a glimpse of Swamiji and cheered him while he walked on the roads of Tiruvannamalai on a procession taking part in the Pongal celebrations that was happening during the time of his visit.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva.
Clearly, Swamiji's overwhelming successful Jayanti celebrations at Tiruvannamalai on 29th December last year, which attracted over 25,000 people among the locals and others, is causing some bad heartburn among certain anti-spiritual elements. Well, all we can say is one can never try and snuff out an enlightened being, especially one as dignified and majestic as Paramahamsa Nityananda. Thank you for joining us. We will meet again on the next edition of The Real Story. Nityanandam.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. 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 அருணாச்சலமென அகமே நினைப்பவர் அகத்தை வேறறுப்பாய் அருணாச்சலா. அருணாச்சல சிவ, அருணாச்சல சிவ, அருணாச்சல சிவ, அருணாச்சலா. அழகு அழகு சுந்தரம் போல் அகமும் நீயுமுற்ற பின்னமாயிருப்போம் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
அகம் புகும் தீர்த்தும் அககுகை சிறையாய் அமர்வித்ததென் கொல் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
ஆறு காவேனை ஆண்டனை அகற்றிடி அகிலம் பழித்திடும் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
இப்பழி தப்புனை ஏன் நினைப்பித்தாய் இனி யார் விடுவார் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
ஈன்றிடும் மன்னையிற் பெரிதருள் புரிவோய் இதுவோ உனதருள் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
உனையே மாற்றி ஓடாதுளத்தின் மேல் உறுதியாயிருப்பாய் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
ஊர் சுற்றுளம் விடாதுனை கண்டடங்கிட உன்னழகை காட்டருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
ஏனை அழித்திப்போதெனை கலவாவிடில் இதுவோ ஆண்மை அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
ஏன் இந்த உறக்கம் ஏனை பிறர் இழுக்க இது உனக்கழகோ அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
ஐம்புல கள்வர் அகத்தினில் புகும்போதகத்தில் நீ இலையோ அருணாச்சலா.